back!
Today we're going to review a toy. Minnie's household gadget. So we've got a little fridge here, I think, with all these little vegetables. And on the back, Minnie's also got a lot of other little household appliances, such as the laundry machine, the cooking device, the kettle, the microwave, the cute fridge. So let's have a look at this little toy and see what's inside. Here. So here is our little toy. Okay, it's in a nice little packet. And here we can see the vegetables all packed up. And it's a very, very cute little picture of Minnie and her friend Donald. So let's take this one out. It's very nice and pink. Just put that there. And then you can take this out. Put this here. Right. Let's rip this open. All the little pieces will fall out. There we go. Have to be careful that not all the pieces fall on the floor. There we go. Okay. So all our little pieces are in front of us. And let's see how they open. We've got the little freezer, top freezer, and in the middle we've got our little fridge, two little drawers, and on the side we've also got a little drawer here, one at the top and one at the bottom, and it's blue and pink inside. And this, I think, is supposed to be our little ice tray as well, or whatever you'd like to keep inside it. It doesn't seem to open. Close it up, and at the bottom we have our little drawer. Put anything inside there. There you go. Let's turn it around. Nice and pink. This one's darker pink and this is lighter pink. On the bottom. This is so that it can stand. Okay. So let's have a look at our little vegetables. And our little drawer here. I think we can put little things in here as well. This little device. And this looks like a little ice cube tray. We probably want to keep that at the top. So that's the first thing that we can do. Because none of these little things are going to fit in there. This is for the ice, so just pop that up at the top. And just push it right in there. And close it. You can always put anything else in there. The smallest box there. But if you like, you can put them anywhere you want. So let's see what we can put inside our fridge. Some more vegetables. And put them in here. They fit quite nicely. I think this is capsicum here. Okay, some vegetables. Put this one at the top. see about this. We can squeeze this in there. Yes, we can. Let's figure out if this one squeezes in there. No. So we should put it back up there. Maybe we can put this in there as well. It squeezes right at the back. And actually, let's see if anything else fits in here. I think this could go in there because that looks like little ice cube tray as well. And this one would go in here. There we go. Let's see if there's anything that can fit in this side. No, it's too big. So we're gonna have to squish it on top or put it at the bottom. Let's see what else can fit down here. We can put it in here because it's a little bit squishy. Just a little bit tight, but we're able to put everything inside. Maybe put this down here. Just gonna try things out. Try different things, but you can put anything you like. And as you can see, let's see, this one actually pulls out a little bit as well. So that's very handy. We can push this back in. And when we close it, everything fits. There we go. So that's Minnie's little fridge, cute little fridge appliance with all her vegetables. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the toy shop. See you next time.